What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to check out one of my favorite super light cases. It's from Pitaka. It's called the MagEZ Case 3. Let's check it out. So yeah, it's the MagEZ Case 3 by Pitaka for the iPhone 6.7 Pro. It's made of that 600D aramid fiber. The packaging is very different this year. It does have all the information. 0.71 ounces or 20 grams, super thin, 0.95 millimeters thick, Magsafe compatible, that wireless charging goodness, and it's made of the aramid fiber. Yeah, I'm not really feeling the packaging, to be completely honest. Last year, the packaging was super nice and premium, especially with this expensive case. The peel spot on the bottom is all jacked up, and it actually feels like a fake case, like an imitation Pitaka case. For some reason, it just screams not legit. I don't know. Something about this packaging just doesn't feel right with me. But getting into the case, oh, here we go. I think I know what's going on. Pitaka, we care for our planet. This packaging is made from 100% biodegradable material. Okay, I forgive them. I'd rather have this thing decompose pretty easily than sit around in a landfill for 1,000 years. So let's check out the case though real quick. Inside the box is not a lot of presentation. Piece of paper here. This thing shows you how to take it off and put it on. Pretty cool. You get a little bit more packaging. This is probably regulatory information. Oh, okay, it's all their other products they offer to go along with this case. Pretty neat. And just like prior year's case, they give you these little bumpers. They're made out of some like squishy styrofoam, and the idea is you put them inside the case to take up any slack. But anyway, here's a case. This thing's pretty awesome. Compatible with MagSafe. It definitely has a premium feel. You have to know what you're getting with this case. This is not going to give your case a ton of protection. It'll keep you from getting scratched and stuff like that. So it definitely has that premium feel. It covers all the edges really well. The aramid fiber is got that awesome texture to it, and it goes on pretty simply. I usually just put it on from the button side, from the volume rocker side first, and then push it over the edges. It's got a good bezel for the camera bump, so you don't have to worry about your optics getting scratched. It fits nice and snug. It feels really good. It doesn't have any slack. The case I had last year had a little slack in the back, so I don't think I'll need those bumpers that come with it. But I imagine there's a lot of variance in these types of cases, so that's probably why they include them. But there it is. Beautiful form over function all day long, this case. I mean, it's going to definitely protect you from some scratches. You'll be able to lay it down flat on the table. Your cutouts are all gigantic, so there's no problem there, minus all my disgusting fingerprints. But yeah, this case is pretty awesome. If you want something light and fit that's going to give your case a little bit more protection, this is it. Thank you so much for checking this thing out with me. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. If not, that thumbs down works as well. And as always, I appreciate the subscription.